Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fantastic world of rowing and uncovering the incredible benefits it offers when practiced daily. Why row every day, you ask? Let's explore. Cardiovascular health. Rowing is a highly effective exercise for cardiovascular health. The rhythmic, repetitive nature of rowing engages the cardiovascular system, making the heart work harder to pump blood throughout the body. This strengthens the heart muscle over time, leading to improved heart function and increased circulation. By regularly rowing, individuals may experience lowered blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and related heart issues. Moreover, consistent rowing workouts can contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease. Weight management. Rowing is an effective exercise for weight management and fat loss. It is a calorie-burning activity that engages numerous muscle groups, leading to increased energy expenditure during and after the workout. By regularly incorporating rowing into a fitness routine, individuals can burn calories and stimulate their metabolism, which contributes to weight loss and the development of lean muscle mass. This combination of calorie burning and muscle building can aid in achieving weight management goals. Enhanced endurance and stamina. Regularly engaging in rowing exercises can significantly increase an individual's endurance and stamina levels. The nature of rowing is a full-body cardiovascular workout challenges the body's capacity to sustain effort over extended periods. Over time, consistent rowing workouts lead to improved cardiovascular fitness and increased lung capacity. As endurance and stamina levels improve, individuals can perform other physical activities with greater ease and for more extended periods. This increased stamina not only benefits rowing sessions, but also translates into improved performance in daily tasks and other physical activities. Enhancing overall fitness levels. Enhanced respiratory function. Rowing demands controlled and rhythmic breathing patterns synchronized with the rowing stroke. This deliberate breathing technique strengthens the respiratory muscles over time, enhancing overall respiratory function. Consistent practice of controlled breathing during rowing exercises can lead to improved lung capacity. This means the lungs can take in more air during each breath, allowing for increased oxygen intake. As a result, individuals who regularly row may experience improved endurance during aerobic activities due to their enhanced respiratory efficiency. Core strength and stability. Rowing requires continuous engagement of the core muscles throughout the entire rowing stroke. The pulling and pushing actions engage the abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back muscles, among others. This consistent activation of the core muscles contributes to strengthening the core over time. A strong core not only enhances stability and support for the spine but also improves overall balance. The stability gained from a strong core can positively impact posture, reduce the risk of lower back pain, and enhance athletic performance in various activities. Brain health. Physical exercise, including activities like rowing, has demonstrated positive effects on cognitive function and brain health. Regular engagement in rowing workouts stimulates the release of neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and serotonin, which play a role in improving mood and cognitive function. Additionally, aerobic exercise, like rowing, promotes the growth of new brain cells and increases blood flow to the brain, contributing to enhanced cognitive abilities, including memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Studies have suggested that regular exercise, including rowing, may reduce the risk of cognitive decline associated with aging, and contribute to maintaining overall brain health. Joint health. Rowing is a low-impact exercise that minimizes stress on the joints compared to high-impact activities like running or jumping. The smooth, gliding motion of rowing provides an effective workout without subjecting the joints to excessive pounding or stress. This low-impact nature makes rowing particularly beneficial for individuals with joint conditions, such as osteoarthritis or those recovering from joint injuries. Rowing allows individuals to engage in cardiovascular exercise without placing undue strain on the joints, making it a more joint-friendly workout option. Regulated blood sugar levels. Regular exercise, such as rowing, plays a significant role in regulating blood sugar levels. Rowing workouts improve insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to effectively utilize glucose from the bloodstream for energy. This increased sensitivity to insulin aids in more efficient blood sugar regulation. Benefiting individuals with diabetes are those at risk of developing the condition. By engaging in consistent rowing sessions, individuals can better manage blood glucose levels, potentially reducing the need for medication or insulin in some cases. Moreover, improved insulin sensitivity resulting from exercise can assist in preventing or delaying the onset of type 2 diabetes. Better immune function. Regular physical activity, including rowing, plays a vital role in strengthening the immune system. Engaging in consistent rowing workouts stimulates the body's defense mechanisms, enhancing immune function. Regular exercise contributes to an increased production of white blood cells, which are essential for combating infections and illnesses. By bolstering the immune system, rowing helps make the body more resilient to common illnesses and infections. Engagement of stabilizing muscles. Rowing engages stabilizing muscles that might not be as activated during other forms of exercise. The rowing motion recruits a wide array of muscles, including those responsible for stabilizing movements. These stabilizing muscles contribute to overall muscle balance and coordination, reducing the risk of developing muscle imbalances or asymmetries. Strong stabilizing muscles support proper body alignment during workouts, reducing the likelihood of injuries caused by muscular imbalances. Incorporating rowing into a fitness routine helps promote comprehensive muscle engagement, aiding in overall strength and stability, which is crucial for injury prevention and optimal performance in various activities. So, there you have it, the fantastic benefits of incorporating rowing into your daily routine. If you're looking for an exercise that's kind to your body while delivering remarkable results, rowing might just be your new favorite thing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. And I will also recommend you to watch other videos on my YouTube channel. Link are on the screen now. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.